Hey guys, it's Bubble Guppy time. This is Amy Jo with DCTC, and today we're going to be opening up our Bathtime Bubble Puppy playset. Okay, let's take a closer look at everything that comes with this set. So we have Bubble Puppy, and as you can see, he has some muddy spots on him. Whoops! And if we pour warm water on him, these spots will disappear. This also comes with a little bath toy. It's shaped like a bone and it has some holes in it so the water will pour through. And then there is a little doghouse. So the water goes down through the chimney and it comes down here on the Bubble Puppy. And then he can slide down the slide and into the water. All right, are you guys ready? Got my warm water. So we want to watch for these brown spots. They're supposed to disappear. Here we go. Woo! It worked! Look what happened when I poured the warm water on him. His mud washed away. Oh, but look, he's getting cold again, so his muddy spots are coming back. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, now let's try pouring some water through the bone and see what happens. Oh, it's like a shower. Bubble Puppy needs a friend, and I have just the right person. It's Peppa Pig, and she's covered in mud too. Bubble Puppy, may I please shower in your doghouse? Woof, woof. All right, I think that means yes. Whoa, Peppa just fit. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh no! Peppa's mud didn't wash off. Let's try that again. Well, that's a little better. Peppa is a very dirty pig. Let's see if we can clean her mud with this little brush. That's not working either. Peppa's mud won't come off. My mud won't come off. Silly Peppa. Let's see if Bubble Puppy's mud will come off. Oh, Bubble Puppy's head doesn't fit. There. Now let's have Bubble Puppy go down the slide. Woo! How about you, Peppa? Here you go. Oh, Peppa. Brr, Peppa and Bubble Puppy look cold and wet. What can we do to warm them up? I know. Let's use some Play-Doh and build them some towels. Got some purple Play-Doh here, and I can just press this out into a square or a rectangle. And I've got some blue, and I can press that out into a square or a rectangle too. Okay, now we have 2 Play-Doh towels. Let's dry you off, Peppa. And then we can wrap it around you to keep you nice and warm. Ooh, we needed Peppa's to be a little bigger. There we go. Okay. Oh no, Peppa fell down. Now we'll dry off our bubble puppy and wrap him up in his towel. And he'll be all warm and cozy too. Come back here, Peppa. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed this Bubble Puppy Bath Time playset, and if you did, that you'll click on the like button and leave me a comment and tell me who your favorite Bubble Guppy character is, okay? And if you haven't yet, we hope that you will check out the rest of our channel and join our toy club by subscribing. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.